Hello everyone and welcome to the new tutorial for our NETSTREAM app platform. This is our recent launch. The platform has now a new logo, new brand identity, and of course a completely new web platform, new interface, new UI, and very good technology with high response when it comes to live streaming. Now, let me take you on a tour of the platform. Right now, this is the central main page. Here, you will see all the live streams and the recorded videos, and you can navigate across all the videos. And here, you can use the filters, and you can either, check out the creators that you are already following, the channels that you wish to, all the channels available in the platform. You can navigate the content by category, and of course, you can see the scheduled next live events that are going to be broadcasted in the platform. That is very useful for your favorite creators and for the sports events that we're going to host. Now, in this short menu, you can go to the predictions page here very easily. Here we have our active predictions. Here you can see your bets, your active bets that are currently running, and you can see the completed predictions on the platform. Now, what you can also see here is the creator profile. But before we visit the creator profile, we can go here at the banner. Here you can switch language between English and Greek. And of course, we're going to add more languages. Here is your gifter badge. So according to the gifts that you send to the creators, you receive the according badge. Here you see that I'm already at the bronze level. Here is your wallet, 138 USDC and 10.9 SUI. And of course, here you click, this is the menu for editing your profile and actually your platform wallet. So what you can see here is your NFT. Here you can see that I have already minted a silver NFT. And I can click through these three buttons if I want to buy a USDC. So I want to top up my wallet in the platform. What I actually going to do is either send USDC on the SUI network here at this address, or if I want to use my credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, any payment method, I just select the amount that I want to deposit. Let's say, for example, I want to deposit $25, and I click here, continue with card payment, and I'm immediately transferred to Alchemy Pay, which is our preferred partner for off-ramp and on-ramp. So here I just click proceed, and if you have already been through the KYC, then immediately you will see your USDC deposited on your account. At the opposite side, if I want to convert my USDC to euro and send it to my bank account, I'm going to click on sell, and I'm going to click here, sell with credit card or bank wire transfer. And again, Alchemy Pay is going to enable you to convert your USDC to euro and send them to your bank account. So easy. Now, if I want to send USDC, SUI, or net token in the near future to any one of my friends, here I can copy paste the recipient address, select the amount that I want to send, and that's it. I can send it. I can send this amount to them. Next is your profile. Here I can see a short version of my profile. If I want to edit my profile, I can do it. I can do it here. I can edit my display name and my username, and then next step is my subscriptions. Here I can see, who my subscribers are. Of course, this is the short menu. I'm going to show you the full menu right away. And now let's go to the Creators Studio. This is what you want to see. If I go to the Creators Studio and I click outside of this box, here you will see the main dashboard of the creator. So if I want to go live streaming, I can do it straight away. I can click on Go Live. I type in my title, the description of my video, select the category, upload a banner, a cover for my video, select if it's either going to be a regular stream or a live event. Live event is for sport events, regular stream is for creators. If I want to actually stream through my browser, this is where you select the browser. It's fully functionable now without any problem on your browser from your PC. Or if I want to actually broadcast from a camera or external gadgets, like cameras, phones, or any other application, you can get your stream key and the link and the stream key here. And let's go back to browser. And you can also select here what type of live you want to actually launch. Either if it's a free video, if it's pay-per-view, if it's subscribers only, or if it's NFT gated. If you want your live stream to be recorded, you check here, click on save recording. Otherwise, you can unselect this. And if you want to enable watch to earn, what is that? It's actually paying your subscribers, your users to watch your video. You can do that by clicking here. Now, if I'm ready to go live, I click on Go Live, and there you go. You are immediately live on the NETSTREAM platform. Now, on my profile here, this is the main profile page. Here I can change my profile cover, my profile picture, and set a subscription for my platform, for my channel, and also select my channel categories, upload an image, and type on more info. Here I can see the subscription levels that I have set, and I can also connect my social network. I can also have featured content, and I can also create panels. Now, streaming, I just showed you how it works. On the content side here, I can see all of my content, delete my videos, or re-edit them. Here you can see your analytics. It's very neat and tight dashboard. I can see how many hours users have watched my videos, how much money I've made, and I can see my top streams here. And as for the earnings, here I can see my wallet balance, I can see my NFT status, and here I can see the revenue by source. Last but not least, I can go here and can see my community. Also here, I can click on affiliate and I can see here my affiliates and my affiliate network tree. And also here you click on NFT rewards. And actually what you can do is you can claim your NFT rewards at the end of each month. So back to the main menu, back to the dashboard. And as you can see here, you can use the short menu for the predictions and homepage. I can go back to the homepage right now. Here I showed you how to explore the channels and the content of the platform. I explained to you how the wallet works, how your balance works. And if you want to go to edit your profile, you can click here, Creator Studio. And if you close your wallet, here is the main menu which you can manage your account. Thank you very much for watching, and we are waiting for you to board NETSTREAM. And if you don't know how to become a creator, then here is your chance, because we are launching the NETSTREAM Academy, where you can learn from zero to perfection how to become a creator. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.